Good morning, everyone. I've decided today, I had some really ripe bananas. I had 4 of them. So I'm going to be making a banana bread today, and I'm going to be using this honey I picked up from Jackson's Orchard. It's a Kentucky Proud product, and it's local honey. So I'm going to use this today instead of sugar and see how it turns out. I've got 4 really ripe bananas in here that I have mashed up with a fork. I'm going to add all of my wet ingredients to this. Okay, I have 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil melted. A tablespoon of vanilla. I've got a 1/2 block of cream cheese. And 2 eggs. You want to mix this up well. You can use a mixer too if you want to, but I'm just going to do it with a wooden spoon. It smells really good already. Okay, now I'm going to get my honey ready. I need a cup of honey. Okay, this is right at a cup of honey. I had sprayed the measuring cup with cooking spray so the honey will come out better. Makes it a lot easier. It just slides out. I'm gonna mix all this together. Okay, now I've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Into this, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm just going to stir these up together. Now I'm going to incorporate it into my wet ingredients. Also going to add a couple things of pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to mix this up. I sprayed my loaf pan with cooking spray. This is a banana nut cream cheese bread. That's what I'm gonna call it. It's got cream cheese in it, so it should be delicious. I know my strawberry cream cheese bread was so good. I loved it. I can smell the honey. It smells really good. Okay, I've got some pecans here, and I've got a tablespoon of flour. I'm just going to toss these around. The flour, when you coat the nuts with the flour, it helps keep them from sinking to the bottom of the pan while they're baking. There we go. Now I'm going to add these. I'm going to fold them in. Now it's ready to go in my loaf pan. I'm gonna let this cook at 350 for an hour, and then I'll check it to see if it needs any additional time. Make sure you get it all out. I'm gonna pop it in the oven. I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. Here's my banana bread. It baked for 1 hour. And it's done. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. This looks delicious.